How to send a video on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a video on WhatsApp to your friends or families. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. If not, if you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, click on this chat section from the bottom, and here choose the person that you want to send a video to. If you don't find the person here, simply click on the search bar and type in their name. Now if you want to start a conversation with that person by sending a video, then simply click on this plus icon from the top right corner. Then choose the person from your contact list and click on it. Now click on this plus icon here. Now click on this photos, and here you will see video option. Simply click on the video that you want to send. Then click send, and that's it. This is how you send a video on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.